Architecture has always pushed the boundaries of human imagination. But some buildings transcend mere function. Today we explore the 20 most beautiful buildings that took creativity at another level. From gravity-defying structures to nature-inspired designs, these masterpieces will leave you speechless. Number 20, the Taj Mahal in India. This 17th-century mausoleum showcases unparalleled craftsmanship in marble. Number 19, Petra's Treasury in Jordan, carved from living rock over 2,000 years ago. Number 18, Angkor Wat in Cambodia, the world's largest religious monument, blending architecture with spiritual symbolism. Number 17, the Roman Colosseum, ancient engineering that still inspires modern stadium design. Number 16, Machu Picchu in Peru. Stones fitted so perfectly that not even a knife blade can slip between them. Number 15, Burj Khalifa in Dubai. At 828 meters, it redefined what's possible in vertical construction with a Y-shaped core for stability against desert winds. Number 14, Sydney Opera House in Australia. An icon of the 20th century, its revolutionary shell design was a complex feat that took 14 years to perfect. Number 13, Guggenheim Museum Bilbao in Spain. Frank Gehry's masterpiece of shimmering titanium sparked the Bilbao effect, transforming an entire city's global image. Number 12, Lotus Temple in India. A Baha'i house of worship open to all, its 27 marble petals are arranged in perfect mathematical harmony. Number 11, Dancing House in Prague. Nicknamed Fred and Ginger, it's a deconstructivist marvel, a building that literally appears to dance in the cityscape. Number 10, Sagrada Familia in Barcelona. Gaudi's unfinished masterpiece, over 140 years in construction, its interior famously mimics a forest of stone. Number 9, Marina Bay Sands in Singapore. Its 3 towers are crowned by the Sands Sky Park, home to an infinity pool 200 meters above ground, defying conventional engineering. Number 8, Beijing National Stadium, the Bird's Nest. Built for the 2008 Olympics, it features 42,000 tons of steel woven into an intricate architectural nest. Number 7, Haydar Aliyev Center in Azerbaijan. Its graceful curves embody Zaha Hadid's signature vision of fluid architecture, completely without corners or edges. Number 6, Turning Torso in Sweden. Inspired by a twisting human spine, this 54-story tower rotates a full 90 degrees from bottom to top. Number 5, Bosco Verticale in Milan. Translating to vertical forest, these 2 towers host 900 trees and 20,000 plants on their facades, redefining urban living. Number 4, Habitat 67 in Montreal. A radical experiment from Expo 67, it uses 354 concrete boxes arranged like a 3-dimensional puzzle. Number 3, Gando School Library in Burkina Faso. A brilliant climate design built by the community, it uses local materials and innovative ventilation to keep the interior cool. At number 2 we have the Esplanade Theatres in Singapore. Affectionately nicknamed the Durian for its spiky exterior, a clear nod to the famous tropical fruit. But this design is brilliantly functional. The 2 shells are covered in over 7,000 sunshades that regulate interior temperatures by deflecting sunlight while maintaining stunning city views. And claiming our top spot is Iceland's Harpa Concert Hall. Its spectacular crystalline structure is inspired by the country's iconic basalt rock formations. The geometric glass facade captures and reflects city lights and the dramatic sky, creating a dazzling, ever-changing display of color that makes the building feel alive. These masterpieces prove that when creativity meets engineering, the impossible becomes reality. Which building inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more incredible architecture. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to never miss our latest architectural discoveries. Check out these other amazing architectural wonders in our playlist.